Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I want to talk about the end of an era, the end of the original American Silver Eagle design. Let's get started. Hi, and welcome back, or welcome to Cash and Coins. As I said, today I want to talk about the end of an era, the end of the classic American Silver Eagle design that started 35 years ago in 1986. I'm doing a little unboxing here while we're going because I did order the 2021 Silver Eagle. As most of you know, the U.S. Mint has put out that there is expected to be a design update in mid-year 2021. So if you get this current design, it will be the final issue. It will probably have a lower mintage than what the American Silver Eagle does, so it may be a collectible in many different ways. It's still good for stacking because, as you know, the American Silver Eagle typically outsells any other individual silver bullion coin around the world. So the part of the design that's changing is the reverse, the heraldic eagle of the United States on the reverse. By mid-2021, the U.S. Mint will introduce the 2021 Silver Eagle with the new reverse design, and I'll show you a picture of it here. So as you know, on the front, or the obverse, there is the walking liberty. That part is not, or should not change, of the American Silver Eagle. This design was created in 1916 by Adolph A. Weinman. And the heraldic eagle of the United States was first designed in 1794. It was modified by John Mercanti in the debut of the series. I do want to mention the Gold Krugerrand because in 1967 it did come out as the, premier gold bullion coin to be traded, and that sparked many other countries to start producing gold and silver coins. So I did have to mention the Gold Krugerrand. I do have the 1/10 ounce Krugerrand. Looking forward to purchasing a full ounce, hopefully soon here. As you know, I want to get my Buffalo. But here you see I have both coins. I do have the proof version of the 1986 American Silver Eagle, which was the first one. And as you see, now I have the last one in this design, the 2021. So I felt it was important to have both. I didn't think I needed to purchase the proof for the last one, but I did need to have both. And those two I'll keep as my collectibles and not for stacking. Well, this was just a little short video to talk about the end of an era, the end of the classic design for the American Silver Eagle. Looking forward to the new design in later on this year, and I will purchase one of those, and I will probably get the proof version and a bullion version of that one, saying that it's the first one of that design. Well, if you have any questions or comments about the new design, or even about the American Silver Eagle, it'd be great to leave it down in the comments. Always interesting to hear what you guys have to say. And if you're new to the channel, love if you subscribed. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And as I always say, thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.